Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and safe at home. First of all, many congratulations for passing grade 5. All of you did great job. I'm very happy for my champions and I welcome you all in grade 6. Wish you all the very best for new class, new year, new goals and new victories. Dear students, as you all know that we always start new class with introduction. So today's whole lecture is based on your intro and skills. You are supposed to start your task by writing index, date, day, drawing margin line, and then you will write your objective. The objective for the task is to be able to introduce and show your writing skills. After that, you need to write the question. The question is, am I able to write paragraphs on the given cards? You need to read the cards carefully and try to understand the questions present on the cards. And you are supposed to do this work on your creative writing notebook. Okay, so here are the cards. You need to pick any 3 cards and have to write 3 paragraphs consisting 75 words. Means 1 paragraph of 75 words for 1 card. Like if you have chosen the topic about favorite food, you have to write 75 words for the topic favorite food. Let me read the cards for you. Card number 1 is, what do you like to do in your free time? Why do you like this activity? You are supposed to write 75 words for this specific topic if you are choosing this card. The second card is, where would you go on a vacation if you would go anywhere? Why? What is your favorite sport? Do you like to watch it or play it or both? Next card is, if you could have just one wish granted, what would it be and why? Like if you are supposed to have only one wish, what would you like to ask to God about that? What qualities do you look for in a friend? What are these qualities important to you? Tell us about your family. Do you have pets? Would you like to have pets? Share something fun you did this summer. Name your all-time favorite movie. What 3 things are you scared of? What is your favorite food? Who is your favorite superhero and why? Tell us about the last dream you had. Now from these cards, you have to pick 3 cards and you have to write 3 paragraphs consisting 75 words. I hope you are clear with the instructions, but if you find any problem, you can ask anytime. I will also attach these slides on Google Classroom with the assignment so that you can watch these slides anytime you want. This is basically written task you need to do on your creative writing notebooks. In case you have not bought the notebooks yet, you can do this task on loose sheets as well. But after getting your notebooks, you need to paste these loose sheets on your creative writing notebook. In grade 6, you need to buy 3 notebooks for English. 1 for literature plus poetry, 1 notebook for creative writing, and 1 notebook for grammar plus comprehension. Dear students, apart from the topics on the cards, you can suggest more ideas and topics so that if we want to do more activities like these in future, we may have a variety of ideas and suggestions to work on. Alright students, this was all about the lesson today. I hope you're all clear and will enjoy the activity. But in case you don't understand anything, you can ask anytime in the comment section of your Google Classroom. So thanks a lot. Stay safe, my champions.